Hello everyone. So in this video would tell you about the multiple walk-in drives that are going to happen in the upcoming weekend. So first is the requirement with respect to the QA analyst, and they are looking for the experience of 5 to 7 years, and the walk-in drive is scheduled on 20th of December, and the timings would be 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and the interview venue is at Bangalore itself. So what you have to do is you have to just carry your hard copy of your resume with you. They're expecting someone who has got strong knowledge in API testing, automation testing with Selenium and Java, good experience in JMeter, strong in OOPS concepts, familiar with SDLC processes. So those people can apply over here. Next is, so there are multiple job opportunities as well. So first of all, let me tell you about a referral. So Cognizant is hiring for multiple automation testing roles, and it is across the various experience levels. So Cognizant is hiring for senior level positions, for mid-level positions. So you can apply for automation test lead. The position is of 5 to 12 years. Skill set is Cucumber, Java, REST API, and Selenium. Location is Chennai. And with respect to the next position is automation architect, and it is they're expecting someone candidate with 8 to 15 years of experience. Skill set is Selenium, mobile automation, Gen AI. Location is Hyderabad. Then again, SDET for 3 to 6 years of role. Skills, rest assured, Selenium, Playwright, Java, Postman, TestNG, and Maven. And location is Chennai. And then it is performance testing, 5 to 10 years of experience. Skill set is tools like JMeter and Load Runner, NeoLoad. Location would be Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune, Kolkata, and Bangalore. So if you're interested, you can share your updated resume to cognizant.jobreferral@gmail.com. So if you have been referred to Cognizant in the last 6 months, then you don't have to resend because then it will be getting rejected. So it is only for those people who have not applied in the last 6 months. Then there is one more walk-in drive alert, which is with respect to the Sopra Steria company, and they are having the walk-in drives today as well. So yesterday and today, so 10:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and they are hiring for backend operations for non-technical graduates. This is with respect to the Noida-based location, and this is the referral details. The name is Prithvi Chauhan and the referral ID is 705779. So once you reach to this particular company at Noida at this location, just tell them that you are referred by Prithvi, and they'll get you an interview over there itself. The walk-in drive is already going on. Today also it is going on. So you can visit that particular location, right? And the CTC package is given. This is for non-technical graduates. Now let me share with you one more walk-in drive alert that is happening today. Let me just check if it is. Okay. So now let me share my screen. So this is a walk-in drive for a manual test engineer. And the domain expertise that they are looking is for someone who has got banking and insurance experience, capital market and mutual funds experience, trade finance. So this is a manual testing, pure manual testing job. And the location is also given. So you can scan this location or you can go to this venue itself over there. It is in Mumbai, and the date and timings of the walk-in drive are given 16th to 24th of December, 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. And these are the contact details. So you can apply over here, and it's a walk-in drive. So it is. I would suggest don't wait for the next week to come. If you are prepared, give us a mock interview, and you can go over there, right? Because the sooner they will get the candidates, the sooner they will get the people who are having good sound knowledge. It would be easier for them to close the walk-in drive because mostly from 22nd of December onwards, people would be in a mood of holidays. So don't wait for that holiday season to come. Go today itself or go tomorrow if you are prepared, and you have to carry your updated CV along with the passport size photo. So these are the walk-in drive details, and the name of the company is Apmoses Technologies Private Limited. So you can apply to this particular company today itself. right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.